don't know if I'm ready for this, but I am ready for this. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Frenchie. My name is Francesca, but you could call me Francesca or Frenchie, whichever one you like. Girl, call me that. I am back today with another video. Very scared for this video, but we are about to do it, okay? I don't know if I'm ready for this, but I am ready for this. I will be cutting my hair. I have just been wanting a little bit of a change. Y'all know your girl used to have red hair, and I had my hair red for about 3 years, and I dyed my hair red constantly just because red is a color that washes out easily. That much dye over that period of time caused a lot of damage to my ends, but at the moment I am just in a place where I just kind of want to reshape it a little bit, and I still have some split ends or some damaged ends that I want to get cut off. I am going to attempt it myself because I've seen so many videos of the girls cutting their hair. Her name is Mains by Mel. She has a detailed video of how she cuts her hair into layers, so I will be following her video. If you don't know what video I am talking about, I will post it right here. Definitely go ahead and check her out. She is amazing when it comes to curly hair. I am very nervous because I have never ever put scissors to my hair. Not me. Always been afraid I would mess it up, so I would just go to a curly salon. But I'm curious to see, you know, how I can do it myself. We're about to cut this hair, you know. Before we get started with this video, if you have not subscribed to your girl's channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I got a lot to do on this channel and I would love for y'all to join me. So hit that subscribe button. Enough chit chat, let's go ahead and start cutting. Okay, so the first thing that you want to make sure that you do, according to what my girl Mel did, she washed her hair, of course, shampoo and conditioner, the whole spiel. And when you get out, you want to make sure that you keep your hair damp and apply a leave-in conditioner. Since I don't really use too many leave-in conditioners, I typically go for like curl creams and stuff like that. I'm just going to use this Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner. Okay, so I have just finished adding some extra water to my hair and conditioner. Just raked that through in 4 big sections. And then I took my comb and as well as my Tangle Teezer brush, and I just kind of, it's kind of dirty right now, but I just kind of made sure that my hair was combed out. You don't really want to do this with no product in your hair. You want to make sure you have like a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, something. So after you do that, the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and part your hair down the middle. I already have like my middle part started, but I can't see the back of my hair, so I'm going to have Brandon come in here and part the back of my hair. Just because I already tried it, y'all, and tried 5 times and it wasn't it. So Brandon's going to help me. Brandon! And I hope he doesn't mess it up. It needs to be even on both sides.
Stop wobbling your
Don't
head
shush
around.
me. It needs to be even on both sides.
Okay.
Please and thank you.
Look at the look at it.
Perfect.
That part done, I guided you. Without me,
No, you didn't
without
guide
me, this doesn't happen.
The next step would be to section off my bangs. Okay, so the way that Mel did it was you kind of like place the comb to your head, and then wherever it ends, that's where you will section your bangs. So once you have these 2 areas parted, these will be your bangs. What we're going to do is clip the bangs and get them out of the way because we're going to work on the back of our hair first. guys, so I actually told you wrong. I feel like, I don't know why when I watched this video a few weeks ago, I thought she did the bangs last and the back of it first. We're gonna reverse that. So we're gonna do the bangs first and then these will be done last. I don't know if I can show you guys, but you see like those ends? I want that cut off. Like it's been like that for a year when I first cut my hair last year, and it's bugging me. Honestly, it bugs me when I comb my hair out and I see those little damaged pieces. Y'all see that? It's gotta go. So what you're gonna do is actually just get your bangs combed out first. So of course you are going to want to get a good pair of scissors. These are just some scissors that I picked up from Sally's. Yeah, these were like $15.99 I think. And then according to what she did, you just want to comb it. And when you're combing it, you kind of want to just bring it over to the side. But you want to kind of have your fingers like chasing behind the brush. And the little bit of extra piece that you're left over with is what you're going to cut. I just added a little bit of extra water to this side just because my hair dries pretty fast. So yeah, I'm just combing this side out. Same thing that you did on this side, you're gonna do on this side. Almost, but this piece is a little bit longer. Okay, you guys, so the bangs have been cut. I'm a little scared. I hope I didn't go too short. But the next part that you're gonna do now is the back of the hair. So what you're gonna wanna do, take your hair and you're going to comb it out and bring it up into a ponytail. The lower that you go, it's gonna take more layers off the bottom. The higher that your ponytail is, it's gonna take more layers off the top. And you wanna make sure that you kind of line your ponytail up like right to where your ear is. You don't wanna bring it too far back and you don't wanna bring it forward. I kind of placed my ponytail at the middle of my head. I did bring it up a little bit higher just because I like to have extra layers off the top of my hair. It just makes it look bigger. Once you feel like you've gotten your ponytails in the placement that you like, what you're gonna do essentially is similar to how you cut your bangs. You are just going to comb out the ponytail or brush it out, however you need to do. And once you get to the end that you wanna cut, snip that shit. Oh God. Okay, and you see the differences here. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side so I can get rid of this. Okay, you guys, so I already started cutting this side. I actually had to cut the camera off really quick because I needed to make room for some footage. You can see that it is significantly longer than this side, so I'm just going to keep going little by little until I get it even. So then once you feel like you've got it pretty even, what you're gonna do is just take strands. actually going to stop cutting here because I don't want to keep cutting off more than I need to. Okay, you guys, so now that you feel like you've gotten it pretty even, you're going to take some different strands and just kind of pull them down. And if they feel like they are even, then girl, you did a good job. Or the final part that we will do will be to just kind of take care of the ends as a whole. So one of the things that you're going to do that Mel said was you're going to take one side at a time and you're just going to kind of brush your hair forward. And once you have it combed out, of course, you're going to pinch behind your brush or comb. And once you've gotten it down to the section that you want to cut, you will just trim away. You don't want to do this looking forward because it's really just going to take away off the back, and you want to just make sure that this is done evenly. So you want to make sure you tilt your head the opposite direction. Okay, you guys, so I think I am done. What I will do now, I'm going to leave my hair alone because I've been snipping for a while, and I'm just going to let it be. I will style my hair and I will come back and show you guys when it's done. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I am very happy with it. I actually didn't want to cut it too short, but of course I wanted to make sure that I got all of the damaged ends off, and I believe that I did. I was a little worried after I first cut it and I was waiting for it to air dry. Y'all, I swear if this didn't come out right, I would have just worn my hair in buns and ponytails for months until it grew back. But I'm very pleased with the results. This is definitely a really good method to try at home if you're interested in learning how to cut your own hair. Usually when my hair grows out, I do love the length, but a lot of times it just gets way down and it doesn't really have like this rounded shape that I prefer. I really do like it. There are some pieces that look a little bit shorter than the others just because I used a styling brush and I didn't separate a lot of the curls, so some of them are still really kind of like stuck together. It came out really cute. I hope you guys like it. This will be my new method of cutting my hair. This is a little message to my curly girls, or just my girls in general. If you're thinking about cutting your hair and you want to add some bangs and a little bit of volume, a little bit of layering, definitely check out Manes by Mel. I hope you guys like the way that this came out because I sure do. So that is all that I have for you in today's video. I hope you enjoyed the little process that I went through, and I hope you like the results. Before we head out, if you have not subscribed to your girl's channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, my loves. I have a lot to do on this channel, kind of going towards some different types of videos more than just vlogs. So I'm excited for you all to see that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.